Yellow. Let's name objects that are color yellow. Lemon. Sunflower. Sun. Blue. Let's name objects that are color blue. Blue whale. Pants. Dolphin. Green. Let's name objects that are color green. Frog. Leaf. Turtle. Red. Let's name objects that are color red. Apple. Strawberry. Chili. Purple. Let's name objects that are color purple. Eggplant. Grapes. Flower. Orange. Carrots. Orange. Squash.